Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Here are 100 present simple tense sentences for you to practice in the English language. Let's start the lesson.
I like to play soccer. She goes to school every day. She eats breakfast in the morning. We live in a big house. They watch movies on weekends. The cat sleeps a lot. The dog barks loudly. My mom cooks dinner for us. My dad works in an office. The sun rises in the morning. The moon shines at night. The birds sing in the trees. We drink water to stay hydrated. They play the piano beautifully. I always brush my teeth before bed. She always wears a hat in the summer. He speaks English fluently. The train arrives at 9 o'clock. The bus stops here. I visit my grandparents every Sunday. The teacher explains the lesson. They dance at the party. The baby cries when she's hungry. I go to the park to play with friends. He reads books for fun. She swims in the pool. We eat dinner together as a family. They study hard for exams. The flowers bloom in the spring. The car drives fast. The clock ticks on the wall. I wear glasses to see clearly. He sings a song in the shower. He plays basketball with his friends. We listen to music in the car. They clean the house every Saturday. The baby laughs when tickled. I take a shower every morning. He always forgets his keys. She watches TV in the evening. We walk to school together. They love to eat ice cream. The birds fly in the sky. I write a letter to my friend. He helps his sister with homework. She wears a red dress to the party. We go shopping on Saturdays. They take pictures on vacation. I live in a small town. She likes chocolate cake. He works as a teacher. They play soccer every weekend. We have a dog and a cat. She speaks English very well. She studies hard for her exams. He watches TV every night. They go to the park on Sundays. We eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. You wear glasses. I love reading books. She sings in a choir. He drives a blue car. They travel a lot. We celebrate Christmas in December. He listens to music every day. I cook dinner for my family. She paints beautiful pictures. He runs fast. They swim in the pool. We drink coffee in the morning. She writes emails to her friends. I learn new words every day. She cleans her room every week. He helps his parents with the chores. They laugh at funny jokes. We share our toys with each other. You brush your teeth twice a day. I dream of becoming an astronaut. She dances ballet. He plays the guitar. They plant flowers in their garden. We visit our grandparents once a month. You take the bus to school. I enjoy watching movies. She sleeps for 8 hours every night. We buy groceries at the supermarket. You call your mom every week. I exercise 3 times a week. She makes her own clothes. He teaches math at the high school. They bake cookies for their neighbors. I wash my hands before eating. She cuts her hair every 2 months. He walks his dog every morning. You save money for your vacation. She rides a bike to work. He grows vegetables in his backyard. They feed the birds in the winter. We hug our parents when we see them. You jump rope for fun.
Thank you so much for joining me today and watching this video. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more we learn, the more we grow. So keep exploring, keep expanding your horizons, and never stop seeking knowledge. Until next time, take care, stay curious, and keep learning.